Should you talk to the police if you're accused of sexual assault? And the short answer is no, not really. I mean, there may be a circumstance where if we're representing somebody and the circumstances are such that it was physically impossible for the person to have committed the crime, or the facts are such that it's touch and go. So a lot of times in those situations, we're talking to the lead investigator and we're saying, okay, listen, you want to talk, to this person that we represent. If we answer your questions, does that mean there's a significant chance he's not going to be charged with a crime? And all detectives are different, but if the detective says, listen, yeah, I've got some problems with the victim's story, there's some things I'd like to find out, I'm not so sure about this. Now, sometimes police do this other thing where they say, well, I'm just going to present it to the judge and let the judge decide. That usually means the person's getting arrested. Sometimes police officers are like, I just need to close out my investigation. And we've even had it where we met with a police officer and the police officer read our person their rights. And the person said, I'm not going to waive my rights. I'm going to invoke my right to silence, and then signed it and dated it and put the time on it. And the police is like, thank you, put it in his file, because he had to go show that to his supervisor because he had tried to get the statement. He couldn't get the statement. And then that was the end of that case. Okay. So should you talk? In most situations, no. There are some situations where you could. We've had situations where we had police talk to witnesses and other people, which resulted in a person not being charged. So there's that option too, if we can point them to other witnesses. But yeah, should you talk? If I had to call it yes or no, if there was just right or wrong answer, I would say no, get a lawyer.